Well, hello. I'm Jack Hollis. I have the honor and pleasure to be the Group Vice President and General Manager of the Toyota Division for North America, and it is my, I guess, privilege right now to introduce you to the vehicle that we just launched at the LA Auto Show. This is the RAV4 Prime. It's a plug-in hybrid. The color that you're seeing here is a two-tone, and it's called Supersonic Red. Now, the model that we're looking at is the XSE. Now, one of our sportier grades, you might even see the 19-inch wheels that come on this product. This product is an expansion of our RAV4 lineup. We currently have a RAV4, we have a RAV4 hybrid, we have a TRD version of the RAV, a racing version, and now this one. So we continue to expand. The vehicle, the main brand, is the best-selling vehicle in the U.S., other than a pickup truck. When you see on some of the interiors, which is pretty special here, behind here, I don't know if you can see the paddle shifters. You have paddle shifters on this vehicle.
Very nice.
Sportiness. The center console, the display, it's a 9-inch display, largest ever for a RAV4. And if you turn a little bit more to your left, you'll see that little space in the dash.
Oh, yeah.
That is for the head-up display, which is a first for RAV4 as well. So we're excited about this, as well as a lot of the interior appointments that continue to be leather and stitched. With a with Amazon Alexa, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so all of the technology is built into this vehicle. If you can see too, you see as I close this up, you'll see a two-tone paint scheme. This comes standard on this, and it is an all-wheel drive vehicle. So we're able to give you, a great vehicle in inclement weather. We're able to give you the hybrid. We're able to give you technology. And honestly, I got to tell you, it's about as good as a full package we've ever created, and we're really excited for it to come out. It'll come out next summer of 2020, and I think with the fact that RAV4 has been so successful, this is just going to continue to make our success grow.